What is the magic about biofield? First time into the domain of what you call world with the change perception. It is a paradigm shift. Believe me, it is the first time we have validated results not only 3 times, but 30 times about this biofield energy. We are absolutely excited here on the Scientific Research Center in India as well as the team down in US. I welcome today the Master of Wellness Guru, Mahendra Kumar Trivedi. He is going to tell us what is this magic all about? What are we really going to see in this biofield magic? First time ever in the history of science, we are validating and we are bold enough in telling and we are frank enough in telling that we have done, the results are there. We should start with what do we mean by this magic of biofield? A miracle has happened and we are going to witness this. It is a time when today we say that we have a discovery and this discovery, not speculative, but it is a very concrete validation. We challenge Trivedi Foundation's people who used to come to us. Wellness Guru Trivedi ji is here. And then we actually challenged. We wanted to see whether it is happening or not. We were apprehensive in the beginning, but now we are well convinced that this is what is happening. What has happened? It is a natural phenomena, which is nowadays tested and stated as a Trivedi effect, which can be harnessed and transmitted by individual. Appears to be into the inverted comma. But what is and how it is done? This is the paper. It is no mean contribution. It is the impact of biofield treatment on growth and anatomical characteristic of Pogostemon. That is the plant in question. It is accepted in Science Alert, the impact factor 2, without any kind of rejection, just one revision about the validity of whatever they actually wanted. And this is done in tandem with Trivedi Foundation and SRC. Big scoop. It is a big bang in what we call it as biofield research. The question in the mind, in your mind, in my mind, does this really happen? Can human mental energies have a direct impact on vegetation? Simple question. Then we try to answer this. The thing which was done, the purpose with Trivedi Foundation, they convince us that the research constitutes, this is what we call it as a normative data generation for the consciousness, as it could go and how to improve the human condition to benefit humanity world over. If it happens well, but it doesn't have any deleterious effect, as till today, no deleterious effect is found. The purpose is clear, the goal is clear, and this is the plant which we are planting. This is the best kind of plantation that we see, which produces something around 6 tons an acre per year. But what effect we are getting, and if at all we actually employ it, this could be 4 times. If it happens, it is good. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't have any deleterious effect on the plant. But it happens is what we can prove by showing the biofield treatment is a stamina field that surrounds living organism and it is transmitted by some gifted individuals, they say. And there are gifted individuals which are sitting in front of you. They have some kind of a supernatural power, and that power is biofield, which is transmitted in the plant. The methodology was very clear that we actually, the experiments conducted at Scientific Research Center in tandem with Trivedi Foundation. The plant in question was Patchouli, which is our flagship plant, cultivated over 10,000 acres throughout the country. We did tissue culture with one condition to Trivedi Foundation people: do not touch the plant. And then let us do our science. You do your biofield research. This was done. Transmission with one set which was set as control, one set which was set as an experimental, and then the scientific and statistical analysis was done. Results are miraculous. The wonder has happened. Differences were found. High mass was noticed. It is what we call it as multiple shoot regeneration. It was beyond expectation. That I'll show you the actual results. Microscope revealed deeper veins and then the more glandular hair and a bigger number of stomata. It is the same species. It is no genetic kind of a change. Whether it has happened, we are not yet tested, but we are testing whether there is a genetic change which is happening. And this wonder is really miraculous. You can see the result is in front of you. These are the 2 plants of 2 sets. One is controlled, one is which appears almost 2 to 5 times healthier. This 2.5 times healthier plant which is seen. Oil glands. Previous slide which I was showing, it had just 1. This is showing 3 to 5. That means almost number of oil glands increase, number of oil obviously increase. Treat this as a stomata. Same kind of a slide which is there. But that slide shows tremendous amount of stomata which are there. And these are what we call it as stomata. Entire leaf on the lower side is filled. Look at the data matrix. Look at the figures of the Patchouli plants. Okay, here we see the multiple shoot propagation all the start kind of figures which are there. And this for Trivedi Foundation, experimentally we have checked 3 times, but unofficially we have checked 30 times. Whether it is really happening or not, whether it is the effect by AC, whether it is effect by some kind of light, it is manual error. And three times we have done for Trivedi Foundation, 30 times we have rigorously, all that kind of thing, why it is happening. So we were apprehensive in the beginning, but the results are very evident. It is going beyond significance. It is almost 3 times. Sometimes it is 5.49 times, which is multiple shoot regeneration. It is no hoax. The bottles are in our center. Any one of us can really repeat this experiment. This is our challenge. For the first time, as I say, we are coming in open and telling and having a defense. Nothing is gone wrong. Nothing is hoax in doing this. No other alternative treatment is given other than science, but the results are very evident. Look at the data which is showing regeneration, which is almost showing 4 times regeneration than the normal. Multiplication rate gone beyond 2. This is something which is very miraculous. Let us go to what we call it as seeing is believing. These plants are kept next to our greenhouse. Left hand side and right hand side. Both are having identical treatments. Believe me, identical treatments, same soil, same kind of greenhouse condition, same kind of a laboratory treatment, but the effect is very clear in front of you. It is almost 3 times healthier growth. If it is happening, it is happening. It is in front of you. No hoax. You can ask how it is being done. And we are even trying to learn that how all these kind of things are done. We are really very excited about all this.